welcome back to Goochie's Cocktail channel. Today is Virgin Wednesday, which means I'm going to show you how to make a delicious mocktail at home. Now this mocktail is a Goochie's creation, and I think I'm going to call it a Virgin Strawberry Fizz. Strawberry Virgin Fizz. A Virgin Strawberry Fizz? I think I'll go with a Virgin Strawberry Fizz. Quite a mouthful, you try saying that fast. It's quite hard to do. Alright, so to make this drink, we will need to prepare our strawberries. I washed these a little bit earlier, but now I'm going to prepare them. So I'm going to cut up probably about, I'm going to say 6 strawberries. I'm going to add 1 shot of maple syrup. Hopefully I have enough. Woo! Just did have enough. And I think I'm going to blend this for about 30 seconds. Well blended. You'll see that that is well blended. Ooh, don't want that pouring out of the container. And we're going to need ice. And add some soda water. I am going to garnish this. And voila, we are done. This is a Virgin Strawberry Fizz. To dry July, which honestly, I'm epically failing at, except for Wednesdays. That's really delicious. The strawberries taste absolutely divine. There's a little bit of sweetness from the maple syrup, but it's not, certainly not as sweet as the Shirley Temple that I made last week. This drink is really gorgeous. Alright guys, well that brings me to the end of my show today. So if you want to see me, Goochie, make more mocktails, please make sure you give me a thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you next time. Bye!